Well, in this short snippet, I want to show you what it takes to get to the point to have seams in your wood from glue-ups that are just perfect and you can't even see them. And there's nothing more satisfying. Let's go through it quickly, what all the steps are that I did for this cribbage board and for the lid for this cribbage board. Let's hit it.
When I'm stressed and upset, you know me better than anyone I know. Darling, we have been to hell and back. That's how I know this is forever. All these years, every single tear, all the regrets and promises. I know you like that. I know you better than anyone you know. Yeah, I know exactly how you bottle things up inside, but you don't have to be stubborn, so
don't really like the tear out I got here, so I'm going to put it through the drum sander.
Anyone you know. Darling, we have been to hell and back. That's how I know this is forever. All these years, every single tear, all the regrets and promises, all the ups, breakups, bumps.
Hey, I just gotta ask, is there anything more satisfying to a woodworker than a glue up of a couple pieces of wood and then not being able to tell where the glue lines are?